For TORM, it is the first time we install a scrubber on a vessel already on the water. Naturally, we look forward to following each step of the installation. This is a great opportunity for us to be close to the retrofit process and learn from this experience.
At ME Production, it is our goal to provide the best exhaust gas cleaning solution for our customers. This offers the highest level of energy efficiency and the lowest environmental impact. We deliver a complete scrubber solution ready to be installed, which minimizes the downtime for the vessel.
At FAYARD, it's a real honor to participate in the installation of the scrubber system in the TORM Lene. At FAYARD, we have carried out many scrubber installations so far, more than 35, but never in a TORM vessel. So it's a real honor for us to be able to show our work, our performance and the efficiency we have here at FAYARD.